Hello, ma'am.
Hi Siddharth, how are you?
Fine, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm Siddharth, convener of Youngsters Entrepreneur Nexus. I have just
Wow.
completed class 12th.
I am really impressed. This is what I was talking about right now.
Yes, ma'am.
It's so good to see that you are doing this. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, the VUCA World experience inspired us to start a platform of
Mhm.
mentorship to ignite the young minds on entrepreneurship skills. We
Okay,
will connect mentor with mentee to give a proper hand holding.
perfect.
So, ma'am, my first question is that the journey is created for igniting the young minds. Would you like to contribute to a mentorship to youth online or offline?
Definitely. Definitely, Siddharth. It will be a pleasure for me and anytime, whether it is online, offline, whenever you need me, just let me know and I'll find out time and I'll be there.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Pleasure.
My second question is that can you please share your views? How would the board results and college admissions impact for the outgoing students of class 12th?
For this present time when the 12th class exams are not even over,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So right now, I can tell you that so many of my children call me and they want to know what is the current situation. This generation is so much confused. There's so much ambiguity about what's going to happen to them, Siddharth. It's
Yes, ma'am.
like we as educationists, we sitting as principals and directors and all, we also are not very clear what will happen. Will the papers be happening? So, everything for this particular class 12 children is going to take time. But yes, I'm 100% sure about one thing, that whatever will happen, if we have given a lot of agility and mental strength to our children, right? And they have they are facing the situation with a very positive attitude. Okay, we know their solution is going to come. Whatever is going to happen is going to happen for their best. So they just have to keep believing this and just look forward to the things as the government will bring it forward to them. I'm sure
Yes,
that
ma'am.
the government is going to take care of these things.
Yes, ma'am. Rightly said, ma'am.
Mm.
So, ma'am, the last question is for you that as a youth, what are the two skills we should develop now looking at the real VUCA world?
See, the first thing is I'm again telling that looking at the situation, adaptability is one thing that is so much needed. 1 second we are here, and what happens in our life in second, we just don't know. This is what we are facing right now. But yes, what I want to
Yes,
say, that the resilience and adaptability, the two things that if we have in us, we can fight any situation,
yes, ma'am.
right? We are ready
Yes,
for
ma'am.
any challenge that comes in front of us.
Thank you, ma'am. It was great connecting you. Thank you.
Same here, Siddharth. And God bless you. Keep on doing the good job.
Thank you.